welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to report a seller on eBay. To report an eBay seller for policy violation, what you can do is navigate directly to the specific seller's profile, a list, or their message. Click the report this seller or report button and select the specific policy violation from the drop-down menu before submitting your complaint. Or what you can do is you can use policy violation if a seller is offering offsite transaction using abusive language or posting false contact information. Use the official report and issue with the seller form. Or missing or damaged items. Do not report a seller if your item was not delivered or is faulty. Instead, go to your purchase history and select more actions to use. I have not received an item or return this item options. Or if the specific item listing is counterfeit or stolen, click report this item link located at the bottom of the individual listing page. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.